Ogoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, taigua ideto. Chairman wa Iebc, Erastus Ethekong, arauga atiriri ati mahota gupostpone kana gukanja githurano kia Olkalou. The thing is, these people have sensed defeat na nikio riu matumira Ethekong. Nire mwaigua ati Byelection ni yakanjwo. Nire mwaigua ati Byelection ni ya postpone. Niki emuradi kill maragire kupostpone ku kwao otuike ni Olkalou. Guys, kaidi muthomere that to discuss uhoro uyu na turore uria andu marauga kuri Olkalou ni kuhiu muno. Ground ni regete ohoro wa regime ino. Ground ni maregete ona matwarirwo indo icio ciothe ni maregete. Iebc mathaka ni megotwara bururi yo handu horu muno. Chairman wa Iebc should be very very careful any step aloya. Augetio Iebc chairperson Erastus Ethekong has warned that candidates found misleading voters in Olkalou risk disqualification. He added that the commission could postpone or cancel the July 16 by-election if conditions do not allow for a free, fair poll. Nabe mwakauga tiriri ati candidate ni marutirwo mekana ati mundu agiko ake mislead adu kama mahede to stare stravieni wega no kwa disqualified ati eherio thini wa by-election. Okongera kauga tiriri by-election ino no ithogio mbere kana ikanjwo kongiko ati maundu mane mekumatika allow like free and fair poll kana maundu makiria agwe shumere. And now heno nduguga Linda Mwananchi the dathi kore ya Sunday Olkalou, they should cancel that thing now. Tondu kanya kau no gatumirwo kure kumire ngui kure Olkalou gutweke kwina ngui githurano kiu giko ge cancelled. Linda Mwananchi, you need to cancel that rally ya Olkalou. Just postpone it, please postpone it. Tutikone odo umire kure gethi mone base ya ukanja by-election ya kure Olkalou. Adwa ni masensate defeat ile mutiraigua uria ndamwikira video hau uria Karugo Vangwa auga ati andu 15,000 15 to 20,000 people ni maretwo kuria thigira wa iregi. Iatiriri nendori kiurege kamwira thomete uria andu mari actete guku tondu ni mari actete na njira nene muno. Iatiriri yagikorwo andu ni mathiĩ thigira wa iregi macero kuma kuria thigira wa iregi magicoka Olkalou mahingererio mero gutie kuingira ku Olkalou na ni voters aku tondu ucio no waikike because it might happen andu moke guko Nairobi thigira wa iregi magicoka mahingererio mero gutie kundu murathi na election muthenya wa election mukinyu okore andu ingi matinaikia kura. Taiguai ladies and gentlemen, rado mari actete so ona Olkalou moke optigo thikore thigira wa iregi kwina maundu magirwo ni kurora. Lakini nyabe ndimuthomerera John Michuki alectete kagwa breaking his Ebola Excellency Mobutu Kasungu has started monkey games and how he might behave in 2027 after getting intelligence that they are going to lose Olkalou by-election and DCP Kadesami Douglas Kamau Waberu will win with a landslide. The government have ordered Iebc to threaten to postpone the upcoming 16 July by-elections and disqualify candidates if they see like there will be chaos on the election day. Bwana Iebc, you are playing with fire. Don't dare. Iebc marero inyue mwathaka na mwaki. Don't dare. Ethekong. Haya. Shuja augetio. Breaking news. Government has panicked. They are going to lose Olkalou by-election. And DCP Kadesami Douglas Kamau will win with a landslide. They have ordered IEBC to threaten to postpone the upcoming 16th July by-elections and disqualify candidates if they see like there will be chaos on the election day. Which chaos? How do they know? Atiriri, tani mokire rucio kana mokire muthenya umwe as we speak mauge ati uria ati Douglas Kamau the Douglas Kamau ndagakoreire faini ni mokire tu mauge atiriri Douglas Kamau ndagakoreire faini ati ni achujwo ni mokire mauge uguo. The fact is this regime have sensed defeat. Na IEBC, they need to be very, very careful. For all you, ni munene gukira some individuals. Kenya is bigger than some individuals. Mutikageria gwika odo ogirehe ngui na bara thĩinĩ wa bũrũri wa Kenya. Kenya is great than individuals. IEBC, be very careful. Decision ile murathi gwika. Mwadia kupostpone, mwadia gukaja ithurano ici cia Olkalou. Utigoko gwikwega. Siasa ni shigo politics na atmosphere ya politics. Ni kuraisi muno. Maundu ni mekuritoha. Na inyue mwe hau ni mukuritoherwo. IEBC, be very careful. Be very, very careful. Kwina gakarake handu na muronekana mohota gwakiriria. Kenya is bigger than individuals. For you ni muneuka individuals. Like by election shekwo mundu wa kuinuka ainuke uria eguthurwo athurwo. Tigai guka na vitisho. Tigai guka na vitisho. Mikoreo yale kwerehetwo ni yao na ti mwena opposition. To mwena opposition ndukina hinya ucio. Ni yao marehete mikoreo. Nio mena hinya wa kurehe mikora. Na mikoreo ereka maundu thigari cio hau. So, IEBC chairman, Electoral, be very careful. Any decision you're going to make, be very careful. Don't be influenced. Be independent. Don't be influenced by some individuals. Be independent. Todo we no shine for you. Be very, very careful. Mr. Erastus Electoral, be very, very careful. Not to any ke Olkalou mugio ne mukurugamia na ke muru adikir mutiarugamirie. Mutiarugamirie kia bere. Mutiarugamirie kia marava. Mutiarugamirie niko kuge. Side za coast kwena kundu kwari na githurano. Ndiari kana wega niko. Na pia kwena kundu na guku Northern Kenya kwena ithurano. Niki mutarugamirie ku guothe. Ateriu Karau ni kwa mukurugamia. Niki mutarugamia githurano Kaspool otuike Olkalou ni kwa mukurugamia. Niki mutarugamia Byelection ku guothe otuike ate Olkalou ni kwa mukurugamia. We kadha tuone le modu we wikala kuri kwa podcast. Kenya is bigger than individuals. Muthako ucio ukicheza hiyo game ni gukurehe maundu maingi. Na muthako uyu niguo uronekana wanahota kugana thakwo mwaka wa 2027. Tikwega. Kuni kwa podcast. Mani manyu mraiko. Enyu marenda atia? Enyu marona atia? And Gachagua must speak. Gachagua speak now. Maundu mayo maraumira speak. Have a press conference. Ongea maneno. Before do we kike speak. Opposition speak. Kuni kwa podcast. Mani manyu mraiko. Enyu marona atia? Thank you. God bless you.